Buddy, you'll understand. You see what I've been dealing with.
Being as I am, drunk on testosterone.
Beton! Okay. Like also, like, is that you standing still? I can't tell. Ow! I'm gonna just stand still. 2, 3 like moves, physically moving around, like in our. And what's really funny is, all right. I don't know where you are. Understand the when I you are incredibly fucked up visually.
What the fuck did you just fucking say about me, you little bitch?
Oh my god! Oh no. Visually!
Aw. You could try or something.
Piton! I have to be the Piton!
People.
Piton! Piton! Piton!
SCP-096 has breached containment and is fucking balling on the site courtyard. He's going for it and oh my god, I've never seen anything like this since— Protected.
Bloodstone. $3. Bloodstone. Give me $3.
I want you to be afraid.
I'm afraid.
Oh.
Remember me!
Can you leave?
Yes, that's
The end of.
Bye! Bye!
Goodbye.